Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system software is current. This prevents firmware conflicts. Next, press the small reset button on the controller for 5 to 10 seconds to clear stuck states, because a soft fault often stops inputs beyond the home screen. Once done, connect with a known good USB-C cable to a rear console USB port. This forces a wired handshake. If the controller pairs on cable, you eliminate wireless pairing problems and can continue to the next repairs. Now, repair the controller properly through Settings Accessories so the console registers a fresh Bluetooth link. You do this to replace corrupt pairing data. If issues persist, create a new user profile or boot into safe mode and select Change Resolution to verify whether an account or UI layer blocks input. Then, if the controller works under another profile, rebuild the console database from safe mode to repair file system errors. This often resolves controller input locking that only appears after the home screen loads. To finish, run the controller diagnostics in the Accessories menu and confirm battery level and responsiveness. You do this because failing batteries or drift can mimic pairing faults. Make sure to install any controller firmware updates, then test across the home screen, games, and apps to ensure consistent behavior. If problems persist, borrow a different DualSense to determine whether the original hardware is faulty. This one key troubleshooting step isolates console versus controller failure and directs your next action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.